How to make an Instagram story longer. If you have a video that is longer than 15 seconds, this simple method will allow you to upload it as a single story. The first step is to ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. Open the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Instagram and check if an update is available. If you see an Update button, tap on it and wait for the update to complete. Once Instagram is updated, open the app and swipe to access the Instagram camera. If this feature is available to you, you should see a pop-up notification informing you that you can now upload longer stories. Now, you can either record a new video using the Instagram camera or upload an existing video from your camera roll. Tap on the gallery icon in the bottom left corner and select the video you want to upload. For example, if you have a video that is 50 seconds long, Instagram will now allow you to upload it as a single story instead of automatically splitting it into 15-second clips. After selecting the video, you can edit it by adding text, stickers, or effects. Once you are satisfied, tap on Your Story to post it. Your followers will now be able to watch the full video without interruptions. That is how you can upload longer videos to Instagram stories.